GROM CLONE, stock muffler system, direct bolt-on muffler, this one right here. So this one literally just goes directly on, and then to bolt it, you just bolt it from here. What you'll use is this, and then that right there. Very simple to put. New exhaust gasket, some bolts. I'll show you guys how it goes. It's literally a direct bolt-on. So you get rid of that weak, heavy, bulky one, and I'll show you this under engine mount. So you just put the exhaust gasket on, put 2 new bolts, Loctite. So on this part, all you're gonna do is use a bolt, lock washer. So we should do like this. This will go directly to the motor, to the back. Just like that. Show you. So bolt, washer, and the spacer, and then you just tighten it up. It'll hold there, and that's how it'll look. Don't hit nothing. It's far away. It ain't gonna touch anything. And I'll get this all tightened up. I'll show you guys. It's all bolted on. 2 10 mils in the top, 1 10 mil in the bottom. Just like that. Held on, it ain't gonna move. It's mounted to the engine, so it ain't gonna be hitting anything. Big gaps, so it ain't touching nowhere. Direct bolt on. That's how it looks. Let's start this thing up.